doing? Fine, I hope. Welcome, guys. If you are new here, welcome, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber of mine, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back. Guys, if you like glam DIYs on a budget, room tours, shopping hauls, tablescapes, and much more, you're in the right place. This channel is to inspire you and give you ideas to create beautiful home decor, but doing it on a budget without breaking the bank. So if that's something that you like, go ahead and push that subscribe button. Okay guys, today is again Tablescape Sunday, and it is being hosted and presented by Diva's Dynasty. We're a group of 5 wonderful ladies: Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia from Cynthia She's So Blessed, Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and myself, Geraldine, Diva Decorating. And we come together bi-weekly of every month creating different themed tablescapes to inspire and help you grow your channels and ours as well. And we love doing what we do. Okay guys, so today's tablescape host is our very own Mysterious Alberta. And Miss Alberta wanted us to use standard YouTube etiquette, and she wanted us to include a masculine or some rustic in your tablescape. Now guys, this is for Father's Day, okay? And she also wants us to display some pics or plaques or some kind of writing. So the upload date is June 14th, 2020. And she just wanted us to have some fun. Now guys, I'm going to show you what I came up with. And I decided to do a masculine tablescape. So here we go. Okay guys, so to celebrate Father's Day, I decided to set the table with the colors that my hubby likes to make this feel very special for him. Now, I picked the colors dark blue and white because those are his favorite colors. So this table is directly towards celebrating him and what he likes for his special day. Now, for the tablecloth here, I have a satin navy blue tablecloth, and I picked that up from eFavorMart online. And for my place settings, I'm going to break it all down, and I have this faux wood charger that I purchased from Walmart. Now these were $2 and some change a piece, and I could have got them at the Dollar Tree because they sell them as well. But my Dollar Trees lately do not have these in stock, and they haven't for a while, and I didn't want to, take up the time of ordering them online. So I just saw these at Walmart, and I said, oh, this would be the perfect match for my masculine tablescape. So with that, I have my white and gold plate set, which was purchased from the Dollar Tree as well. And I have the plate and the salad dish. And on top of that, guys, I went a little whimsical. That's why I say I dedicated this tablescape to my husband celebrating Father's Day. I went with a whimsical tie. Yes, this is a tie, but it is made out of a napkin. And I'm going to insert a DIY clip of how I made this. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And after you have made it, make sure that you iron it so it will stay together and have creases. Okay, so on top of the tie napkin, I have my gold flatware from Walmart, and I've had this for a while now. And I have this burlap with a navy blue print on it tied around my silverware as a napkin ring. And I just have a piece of jute tied in a bow. And I actually got this idea from the picture that came on the chargers. I also decided to stick some little flowers in there. These are from the Dollar Tree. And my light blue I decided to go with so it could offset some of the dark blue, and I think it goes very well together. Now for my glass set over here, I have my water glass, and I have my wine glass with a nice Merlot. Actually, it's not a Merlot, guys. This is just a prop. It is actually grape juice. And hubby doesn't drink wine, so that's what that is. That's a little twist. But we're going to say it's Merlot. All the place settings are the same. And it is set for 4, as I said. I just have a Dollar Tree candle holder, and I have a white candle. That is my white. And for the centerpiece, I have a DIY. This is a faux wood picture frame flower box, and I made that just so I could put my hubby's pictures all in it. and all around it. And it is 4 picture frames that is glued together. And I have a flower box. I decided to go with the white carnations because that's seems like a manly flower. It's not girly. Now each tie at each place setting is different. I have the light blue there, the navy blue here, and across from the light blue I have another light blue, and I have another navy blue. And I just have 2 little candle holders. Guys, this is actually a solar light that I wasn't using anymore, that had got wet in the rain. So the little battery compartment got wet. And I had the idea that they would make beautiful tea light holders. And that's what I'm using them as. Isn't that pretty? And your little tea light fits so perfectly inside of it. So that's an ideal you can use if you are not using your solar lights anymore. You have some glass ones like these. I have another style as well, and I love using these for tea light holders. You can actually even put a real tea light in it. And I have one on this side as well. And last but not least, I have hubby's little gift over here. His little gift bag in a navy blue bag. And I just have that on there to fill it up just a little. And the tissue paper all from the Dollar Tree. And a card. So guys, that's it for my tablescape for Father's Day. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe, push that like button, leave me a comment down below, and share this video. Don't forget to watch everyone on the playlist. Go over and show everyone some love. Thank you to the Diva Dynasty. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, my loves.